Hello and welcome to Krishan Technology. If you are a Drupal developer like me and have been working with Drupal for a long time, I am sure you have come across certain challenges, especially when dealing with decoupled Drupal architecture. One of the most common issue and likely the first you have encountered is CORS, that is cross origin resource sharing. In today's video, I will be sharing a simple and effective approach to handle decoupled Drupal architecture, making it easier for you to overcome this challenge. If you have been following me for a while, you probably know that I enjoy experimenting with implementing ideas from one framework into another. This time, the source of inspiration for this video also comes from a popular framework. Can you guess which one? Let me know in the comment below. Alright, let's move forward. For this setup, I will be using Inertia.js for the front end app, and of course, our backend will be in Drupal. I will explain why I chose these two at the end of the video. But first, let's check out a quick demo. I have already installed Drupal 11 for this video. Let me show you the current configuration of the project. It's a Drupal 11 project and I am using PHP 8 since Drupal 11 requires it as a prerequisite. Now, let's get to the main topic. I have created a custom module here that handles everything related to Inertia.js. This module will manage tasks like delivering the app to the browser and determining which requests are coming from the Inertia app and which ones are not. As we are using Drupal as a backend, it also have its own URL exposed to the app. Now, let's move to the terminal. I will run a command that I have written in my custom module, which will set up our front end app. In the project root directory, we need to execute drush inertia underscore fi. Here, fi stands for front end installation. This command is a part of my custom module. Now hit enter. Let it handle the setup of the front end app. The app has been successfully installed. Let me show you in the code editor. As you can see, the app has been created. Let's move to browser and hit url/inertiajs/login. This will render a login page, which is a part of Inertia app. To confirm, let me show you the browser inspector. Notice the page structure, how it is different from the standard Drupal page if you remember. Or let me just show you a regular Drupal page structure. You can see Drupal specific document structure here in the browser inspector. Now I will log in with the username Brijesh and enter the password. As you can see, we are logged in and redirected to the dashboard. So here I used the router from the Inertia.js for redirection. Let me show you one more thing to confirm that app is working fine. Let me open the network tab in the browser inspector. Notice when I click logout, the entire page does not refresh. Only the components are refreshed. I hope you like the video. If you want to know about the integration in more detail, let me know in the comments and I will talk about this setup in depth. For now, this is all I wanted to share with you and the Drupal developers like me. If you have any questions, please ask in the comments.